How do we add pictures to the chart axis? So this is the axis. Instead of the player name, we put the sports picture in which sports the player represent, and this is the player name we put in a custom data label. So how could we place this picture in the axis label? So let's take this data in a new sheet. So I have already plot this data. Here we have some supporting columns. This is our main data, players and the amount they earn in a certain year. This is the sports name. So for our supporting column X and Y, we take two series. This is the sports picture and this is the custom label. For the time being, we just remove this. When we need this custom label, we will create it again. So let's take this data, go to the insert, take as 2D clustered bar. Here we need to add this series data. So select the bar, right click, add select data. Here we add our series name is Y and series values this series. Now select the new series data, right click, go to the change series chart type. Here instead of clustered bar we choose as scatter. Now we need to add the X series data. Select the marker, right click, again select the data, select the Y series, edit, add the series X values here. So here we place our sports picture in this marker. Now we need to do one thing here. Select this axis, the name axis, right click, format axis, go to the labels. Here go to the labels and choose distance as 800 so that we have sufficient distance from the name and the picture. Now we choose, so this is our, now we need to arrange this axis in the right order. Here top is the Lionel Messi, so we should place Messi in the top. Now right click, format axis, go to the categories in the reverse order. Now it is in the right order. We do not need this axis more, this axis also, and remove also these grid lines. And we can format data series and take say gap width as 100%. Now we select this picture, copy it and place this marker. This player represents sports as soccer. Now only choose this marker and paste it as soccer picture. Again Cristiano Ronaldo representing the soccer, we change this marker as soccer. Neymar also same way. So this player representing boxing, copy this boxing sign picture, select this marker and place it. So this player representing tennis, select this, replacing it, and this player replacing the football, American football. So replacing this marker with this or rugby sign. Again this player representing the basketball, copy this and change the marker with the picture, sports picture. We can make it larger. Now we remove this player name here because we place this in our custom data label. Now right click, format axis, go to the labels and choose label position none. And here again we do one thing, go to the tick marks, go major tick marks as outside, and go to the fill and line, here line choose at dark gray, so that represented which picture represents which bar. Now change the bar color of each for each sports. Say this is football, we can take it as this dark aqua, same for this. So select the bar, go to the shape fill and change the color as dark aqua. For boxing, say we choose this red. For tennis, we can choose this green. For American football, we can choose say this yellow, or we can choose this dark color. And for basketball, we can choose this one. So change the color as you like. Now we add the data label here. We need to create a custom data label with name and their earning amount. So how can we create this custom data label? Say we take this player and give a space again, and to combine both player name and the amount. So we give a dollar sign here and this amount, and also we want to give the million sign here. So it is our custom data label. Copy it and drag for all other players. Now select the bar, go to the chart elements and add the data labels. Now select the data labels, right click, go to the format data labels, take values from the cell what we created here, take this cell, click OK. Now we see the our custom data label is there. Now we remove these values because we do not need this anymore, and we place it as inside int, and we choose the color as white. We give a chart title here, so we can say top earning players. So this is our chart with the pictures in the axis. So hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.